So, this is the last video and the final one with the stuff I got from Mike Dudek today. These are simply additional things I wanted to order anyway, and they were simply coming together with the other stuff, so they're nothing too special. This is a Scott Foresman's Reading Rally cartridge, and it's coming with the original Scott Foresman's manual. So that's for that. And this is, I don't know if this is the original packaging or not. I have to unbox it to use it, otherwise I won't be able to use that. It's how is it called? PHA, so 2020. I'm afraid to cut myself on those. Oh, there's a second sleeve here. Take a look inside. Oh, nothing left. So this is the PHA-2020 Audio Adapter, and this is simply one of those cables I didn't have yet. It gives you from the NTSC video port a connection to a large headphone connector, and again the 5-pin DIN port. So it's simply a nice split to only have to separate the audio from video. Yeah, wonderful. Actually, I got the other boxed Hex-Bus peripheral I also have also into the room. So this is the Hex-Bus Texas Instruments modem, and here's the back side of it. This is really brand new and never before not released, but never before used before I got it. And the back end, the back is a little different than from the others. Of course, we need a telephone or some telephone line in order to use that. And this is the Hex-Bus RS-232 interface. This one provides a serial port, actually two of them, and can also be expanded to have an additional parallel port. Yeah. And here is the preliminary copy of the Compact Computer 40 User's Guide. And as I said, this is really thick as the final manual, and it's a nice print, original print, I guess, from Texas Instruments. And I got this from Giro. Thanks again. So here we have the whole collection I have for now, and I will put that on the some kind of together to have also a size comparison. So on the top right we have the Texas Instruments Compact Computer 40. Below we have two printer plotters, and on the left side we have the smallest of those devices, the Texas Instruments modem. At least the packaging is the smallest. The size is exactly the same like for the RS-232. And on the bottom left we have the printer 8T, which is really the largest of those packages, and also I guess the largest device. Yeah, can also put that on top, so you have a comparison on how would they fit together. So I guess the RS-232 and the plotter are very similar in the sizing. Also the compact computer 40 fits perfectly to that format. So only the modem is really a little out of that sizing model. Okay, so that it is, and thanks for watching. This was Klaus Lukaschek from Austria, from Vienna, and I hope you enjoyed the show. Goodbye.